Over the next week, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be using an auto trading Forex bot, and I'm gonna track the results from now until the entire week is over. As a matter of fact, look at these results right here, just being 2 days in. Now, before I start the video, I want to let you know about something that I'm doing that I believe is going to help out individuals over time. I'm giving away $500 to fund your account, but I'm going to be doing this and giving this away to one lucky individual after we hit 1,500 likes, but you also need to leave a comment down below why you deserve this $500 to go ahead and get your account funded. Remember, 1,500 likes and why you deserve this, and I'm gonna pick a random commenter. Now, the way I'm gonna notify you about the winner is in DeSilva's Forex Auto Trader group inside of Telegram that you can join 100% for free with the link down in the description. I'm also gonna be posting daily auto trader results so you can watch it day by day as it progresses, and you have the chance to get your account funded by me. That is all in the description down below. Now, before I go ahead and start, my first video using the Forex bot, which is a completely different bot, went exceptionally well. As a matter of fact, we made profit, and we made a decent amount of profit on our investment. Now, the same company that I used before, they released another bot. However, this time they told me that this new bot was a little bit more aggressive, but it also had really good track record over their back testing that they've used and that they've obviously back tested. So with that being said, I said, okay, I'm gonna put $1,000 of my own money in there and I'm gonna see how it performs. Now, I wanna be extremely transparent. I set this bot up roughly Friday at around, let's see, 3:19 London time, I think it was. So I didn't have enough time to go ahead, get my setup ready and record everything, yet still set everything up for about an hour. So as you can tell right over here, we've gone ahead and made 40 cents, then 39. So needless to say, we were in profit, and this is trading, as you can tell right over here on the 19th, and this is London time, since we're right over here on a live LQDFX account. And again, if you want an LQDFX account, I highly suggest using the link in the description down below, because it does come with extra bonus leverage. And what that means is essentially for every $1,000 or every $100, etc., that you put in, and there's a minimum of $500 that you need to put in, they'll actually give you a leverage account which allows you to trade more than what you actually put in. Again, you have to read up on it, look at how it works, but essentially it's free money to use. So with that being said, right over here, it started, as you can see, all these little trades, and the lot sizes are 0.01, 0.01, 0.01, etc. Now, majority of these trades are actually winners. As I scroll down, you can see that a lot of these are winners. A lot of them are winners. And over the course of the last few days, you know, on the 19th when the market closed, and now today when the market reopened, we're up $19.50 on our $1,000 investment. So we're almost up 2%. Now, the open trades, we are currently at $7.04 in the red. Now, that's okay, because I've seen this bot perform and I've seen it be like negative $30 in the red, and then I wake up in the morning and next thing I know, we're in profit, and those trades that were open closed in profit. So what I've noticed with this particular bot is that it goes into trades and it's not necessarily afraid to hold on, because it has some sort of algorithm built into it where it understands when the max threshold is to sell and when it can go ahead and actually take profit. Now, at the same time, I'm also running a simultaneous test running on the other bot that they have. And as you can see right over here, if we go to the course of the last month, it's actually down $83, which in my opinion is a really fat L from the first time we used the bot. However, to be fair, this is a longer term bot, meaning that it performs well over the course of a longer time period. This bot that we're using right over here, which trades in smaller lot sizes, performs rather good over the course of a shorter lifespan. But they did say, and as a little disclaimer, that it has a higher chance of blowing the account. But as of right now, for the length that I've used it and the back testing results that they've shown me, I can say that the results for the actual accounts that I've seen and the account that I'm using is actually looking very promising. So let's wait and see exactly what happens. So I just woke up this morning and I got a little nervous. I actually saw that the account was open trades negative 22. However, I came to realize if you look at this, we're actually up $14.50. Now just take a look at one of these trades for $22 and the other one's -4, -7, -6, but it went ahead and had a really big profitable trade with 0.08 lot size. And as you can tell, the lot sizes are increasing a little bit bigger and bigger as the account grows. Now take a look at this. If I click on month, remember we started this a few days ago. We're already up $33.01 on this account just for running roughly 2.5 days. Now, again, we're still gonna let this run a little bit longer just to see the type of returns we get over the course of a week. Now, so far, so good. And I'm expecting, like I said, anywhere from 5 to 10% returns, and that would be astronomical for something that I, quite frankly, don't even have to touch. So that's this morning's update. I'll let you know tomorrow morning exactly how the rest of the day went. I'll catch you then. All right, we're back. So it's been about, ready for this? 8 whole days. Well, today is the 8th day technically. I've decided that rather than showing you day by day, I want the bot to last a little longer and see if it works throughout, time, not just quick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we go ahead and just take a look at the history really quickly, you'll be able to see that we started with 1,000 obviously, but we started on the 19th of November and today is the 1st of December. So it's been roughly 2.5 weeks or so. And if we scroll all the way down, you'll be able to see that the total profit that this bot has made, $109.53. Now, that's almost 11% in 2.5 weeks, which is phenomenal. So this bot is gonna pay for itself with just $1,000 put in. But here's the craziest thing. I'm also making a separate case study with another bot counterpart. It's the same company, but they have 2 different bots that you can run at the same exact time. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at that bot, you'll be able to see over the course of a month, let's see over here, over the course of the month, this bot has made $78.72. So if we technically want to take it into totality, because I only pay, 1 single monthly fee for the bot and I get to use both, I'm actually in the green. So right now you can also see the bot in action and you could take a look at the win percentage according to the bot as well for this particular run that we're doing. So now it's been roughly 2.5 weeks and what I wanna do is really go ahead and wait until Friday to solidify a 3-week case study and prove to you guys that this bot is still working. And the counterpart, I'm also making another case study because these are 2 bots. We have an aggressive bot and then we have a non-aggressive bot that works longer term, which I just showed you, which is $78 up. So I hope you're enjoying this so far, and I guess all I have to say is wait for the next update, and yeah, we'll watch it actually right now. So now it's December 7th, and in 4 days, it will mark 1 month of using this auto trading bot. Now, let me go ahead and run through the numbers with you so you can see exactly what we've been able to achieve ROI-wise. So right over here, if we take a look, this is the aggressive account with the aggressive bot. And if I click on, the month overview, you'll see right at the top, we started around 11/19, excuse me. So in literally 12 days, it'll be a month. So you'll be able to see in just a few short weeks, we're up $185.95. So let's round it up to $186. We're up roughly on this account 18.5%. Now that's phenomenal, or 18.6% because we rounded up. Now if we take a look at the other bot right over here, the more passive bot, we can take a look that the open trades are $56 in the green. But if we take a look at the course of a month, this particular account is up 3.9%, or actually 4% in just a few more cents. However, if the trades were to close out today, it would be closer to 10% than anything else. So if we add these up, we have the 39 and then we have the 185. We have a grand total of 224 collectively, which means that with $2,000 put in at 224, we're looking at around an 11 to 12% ROI, which is really good for us not having to do a single thing. So let's hop into my computer one more time so I can show you the bot, and let's see what the bot says in regards to the earnings and the wins and the losses that it's reporting, because it's not always up to date as we see in the MetaTrader 4 app. So let's take a look inside my computer and see what the bot says. So right here you can see this is the more aggressive bot. And you can also see that it has roughly 82 total trades, 40 total trades, 41 total trades. And obviously there's more total trades elsewhere in other currency pairs. But you can see over here, it shows us the total profit loss. And for this pair, 37, 15, 27. But let's take a look at how our other bot is performing right over here. Now, like I said, this is our passive bot. Now, the problem that you see over here is the total profit and loss so far says $156. However, the actual realized profit is $39.82 because I'm looking at it right now on my MT4 app. So it's not exactly up to date, if you will. However, if we go to trade and we take a look at the balance, the $39.82, that's how much we are up, like you see in the MT4 app. Now, if we do the same thing and we scroll down and we take a look at the balance over here, we're up $185.95, just like we saw in the MT4 app. So again, when it comes down to tracking, I highly suggest still tracking with the MT4 app for the most accurate results. In conclusion, I still think this particular bot is really, really good. Now, if you want to learn more about this bot and how we set it all up, the link is in the description. Don't forget that we're going ahead and funding one lucky person if we hit 1,500 likes on this video, and I'm going to choose a random commenter to go ahead and fund your account with 500 to get started. But you have to leave a comment and you have to join the Telegram group called the Silva's Forex Auto Trader Group. And just so happens, there's one lucky subscriber in here already, and it's me. But regardless, I'm gonna be posting daily updates of the bot, and I'm gonna keep letting it run for infinity and beyond. I might even be adding to my position and watching the money compound, and you can do it with me as well. So for daily updates on how this bot is doing, and for the potential to win that $500 for your account being funded, go ahead, join the Telegram group. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're looking for another case study in regards to this Forex bot, we're working on one. Make sure you subscribe with notifications. My name is Dan Da Silva, and I'll catch you very soon.